This is my blackberry bush that I started growing 4 years ago. And it's starting to ripe really up with the berries. This morning I picked some that were ready to go. So let me show you those. I picked these plus one berry more. And this is what I got this morning. And I got thinking, I want to propagate these. So how do I do so? So then I took and I put one berry, just one, into a container, glass container, and I pulled all the berries off the stem and threw the stem away. Now, this here is the seeds that I have left. Now, what we're waiting for is for everything to dry and to get these seeds right here, which we can go ahead and use for propagation. Now, I have a lot of berries here, and I am going to offer up a very select few packets of seeds, once they've dried, that I've taken out of my own blackberry bush out of my garden. And I'm also going to offer up some slicing tomato seeds that I've pulled myself off from the tomato that I bought out of the store, because I've wanted to have what they're selling in my garden. So I have very few packets of those that I'm going to put up for sale. If you want to see those packets, you can go onto eBay and type in seeds Christian library, and it'll pull up the seed packets that I have for sale. They won't be for sale for a couple of days because I need to get these things dried out. But take a look and you'll be able to purchase what I have available. I am going to keep seeds for my own propagation for my own garden, but I will put up the extras for sale, and you can go ahead and take them and purchase them and plant them yourself. I will provide instructions on how to plant them and what I'm doing, so you can follow the videos on YouTube on how to grow your own from your seeds when you get them. Okay, that's it. I hope you have a great day. God bless.